Hey guys, Robbie Webster here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new PC. Um, I'm not a big gamer, but this is a gaming PC. I really just need something good for editing because I really want to get back into YouTube, and the computers that I have are just cheap, like basic basic level laptops, and I'm just having a lot of problems with them. Even though one of them is basically new, it's a year old, but it's almost never been used, but it's so extremely slow. So I just went all out and tried to get something really good. I looked into building my own, but the price on this one was a lot better than what I could do on my own. And also, I've never built my own PC. I'm sure that I could figure it out. My brother's done it, so I could ask him for help. I have a couple friends too, but at the end of the day, this deal seemed like it was too good to pass up. I also got a couple of external hard drives here. 3 terabyte external hard drives, just because I have a lot of video files, and I've actually shot a lot of video over the last several years that I've never posted anywhere. I intended to do around the towns. Out of them, like, I took vacation, like we've been on a few vacations with the family. I usually like to post those. Those are things that I really love. They might not get the most views, but for me, I do this for fun. I'm not doing it for views or for money or anything, although that would be nice. I just do it for myself. I like to. There's nothing better than going back and looking at an old video of, seeing the kids a couple of years ago, how much they changed, remembering good times with your family. But yeah, so this is just a quick video. I thought maybe some people might be interested in seeing the unboxing of this. It's a CyberPowerPC, and I'll show you some of the box. These are the specs down here. It's got Windows 10. It's got a Ryzen 7 CPU, 16 gigabyte DDR4 memory, Radeon RX, 580 8 gigabyte GPU. The hard drive space, there's a 240 gigabyte SSD drive, and then for storage, 2 terabyte standard hard drive, optical hard drive. And then there's built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth. It comes with a keyboard and mouse. I bought one of these PCs before, and it was very good. I ended up having some problems with it, ended up failing. The hard drive failed, and possibly the motherboard went bad too. But I did get some use out of it, and it was really good while I had it. I don't really care for, there's the glass with the lights and stuff. I'm not about like being flashy and stuff like that. Honestly, I'd rather just not see it at all. But I guess that's something people really like. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. All right, I don't have a tripod or anything like I used to use. So, and my knife needs a new blade. Well, let's do our best here. All right, and I might have to put the camera down a couple times, to take things out, but I'll pick it back up and show you what's going on. All right, so it looks like we got a little bag with some literature in here, some information about the computer, and possibly some other important things in there. Take that out and set it aside. My table's kind of like torn up a little bit right now. I'm setting up on the table because it's really hot and I don't have air conditioning upstairs. So I'm just gonna have it on my kitchen table for a couple of weeks, and we're trying to figure out about possibly changing the layout of the house, maybe moving the bedrooms upstairs. Well, I'm gonna set the camera down for a second because this looks like, well, let me get this out first. Here's the keyboard. This looks like the same or a very similar keyboard that I had before. I never used it. I actually still have it in the box upstairs. This is the mouse right here. It's a wired mouse. Look, it's similar to the keyboard in style. And I think that's all there is outside of the tower itself. So let me get that out and I'll show you. All right, let's see what this baby looks like. Wow, I think it's beautiful. Nice white. Got the front here as blank. You got this side. On the top, you can kind of see inside there. There are a couple ports here. Power button. Go to this side. I'm gonna sit down so I can get on the same level. You can see it's glass here, tempered glass. Got the CyberPowerPC logo. Go to the back. Here's the back. Now there's a bunch of stuff I'm gonna have to hook up, like there's a couple of antennas for the Wi-Fi, I believe, and other things. So let me set this thing up and get the power running so you can see what it looks like when it's all lit up and running. Get this stuff out of the inside. It is actually just magnetic, so you can take it off and clean it off if it gets dusty. It's important to keep your computer clean, obviously. I think it's really pretty. What's inside the PC? It's just a thing full of air. I think it feels like there's foam inside of it. I've never had one of these. It's kind of cool. That was protecting all of the innards here. I took the side off with the tempered glass, so you can see all that. And the power cables were not inside. Maybe, I'm not sure if it came with one, or maybe you have to have your own cable, but I haven't found it yet. I would imagine it's somewhere here. Let's see, did I show this side? Yeah, I did. Maybe I should take off this side too and take a look at, show you guys what it looks like. So here's the other side with the side panel removed. You can see all the cables are neatly over there. And on the inside of the door, it has another magnetic mesh piece, which is awesome. I really like that little detail. Opened up that bag. That was the first thing we took out. It's got some information I need to read. Something for registering your device, so you can get a free mouse pad. And then this and this, I believe, are for the Wi-Fi Bluetooth card, and there's antennas in here as well. And then there's the infamous power cable. So I'm gonna hook this stuff up and start it up. I'll show you what the PC looks like. I'll connect it to a monitor, and that'll be that. Okay, so I hooked up a monitor to the computer as well. This is actually a new HP monitor. It's 25 inches. Oh, excuse this. We just came back from a trip and we put all of our clothes on that couch, so it looks like a disaster. But I assure you, it doesn't usually look like that. Yeah, so it's a nice looking little, nice little looking monitor. I think it's pretty. It's pretty. And this is obviously a precarious place to put your monitor, but I only did this for the purposes of the video so that I could show the startup sequence and so you can see what the computer looks like when it's running with everything turned on. So I figured out why, and I mean, I know I'm stupid for not knowing this, but this is the reason why there's different ports. There's display ports down here and up here. They want you to use this one because this is where the big boy graphics card is located, and that's what you want to be connected to. So that's why it said do not connect down here, right? Or did it say down here, connect down here and not up here? I don't know. Let me go look at that sticker again. I remember. I might have to switch that. But yeah, so I'm just a couple seconds away from starting this bad boy up, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the good old power switch right here. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, the lights came on the keyboard, which I didn't even know they had lights. That's kind of cool. And I'm guessing the mouse probably, this is a optical mouse, obviously. That I don't even think they make ball mouses anymore. So I'm thinking we have to push the power button here. Hopefully this will all turn on at once. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? Pretty beautiful. I think it's beautiful. You got the 3 fans there that light up with the glass case. There's like a tinted film on both sides of this tempered glass. I opted to leave it on for now, and I'll show you the startup up here. The reason I left it on is because I have 2 really young children, and I haven't found a final place for this yet, so it's gonna have to be moved to another location when I set up my desk. I have a desk upstairs. I might possibly just keep using that desk, but I kind of like working down with the family. Although if I want to do a webcam video or something like that, it's kind of hard to get peace and quiet down here. So it's something I got to think about. Oh, and I just noticed there's actually lights down here too. That's kind of cool. Is there any lights on the other side? I don't think so. Oh yeah, there is. That's awesome. And you can see the lights through the case. That's really pretty. I like that. And there are some cool lights on this mouse too, which I did not know. That's pretty neat, nifty. I wonder if you can change what the lights look like. There's like an option to do that. That would be cool. I moved the monitor down here so I can do all this stuff. All right, I'm here ready to start the computer up fresh from after having Windows set up and everything, just to show what the startup is like. I mean, it might not be anything spectacular, but I thought maybe some people might be interested. So here it goes. I think that's basically it. Hit enter, log in. Pretty cool. So that was the unboxing. It's nice to do a video again for YouTube for the first time in forever. I'm going to be posting a general update vlog next, and that'll talk about some of the videos I have upcoming. We just went on vacation to Red Bank, New Jersey. We did a lot of cool stuff, so there's going to be a nice long around the town coming up, and I have several old videos, well, not old, but stuff that I've recorded over the last few years that I never posted or edited or anything. I plan on working on those and putting them up, and yeah, stuff like that. So I thank you for everyone who's still subscribed. I don't know, I know since I haven't been active, I'm sure that the views are not going to be there like they used to be, at least not at first. Not sure exactly how that works with YouTube. They might not really put me up there on my subscribers front page like when I come back, because they just haven't been watching me for so long. But anyone that is still there, I appreciate that. If you watch this video, if you could please give me a comment to let me know you're still there, and I'll probably ask the same on the next video, just because that one's going to be more of a general thing. But yeah, I'm not looking to get anything out of this. I just want to have fun. I enjoy making stuff, creating things, even if it seems simple, or even if you don't like it. That doesn't matter to me. I'm here just to enjoy myself and to do something besides just work, because that's all I've done over the last few years is work 60 hours a week, wait for that 1 week of vacation in the year, and go and do something fun and spend a whole bunch of money on stupid, tourist stuff, or Disneyland or whatever it is. And that's my life. So I really need to get back into a place where I'm actually doing some work that's just for me and that I find fun. And also that helps me to curate our memories, because I'm always photographing the kids or videoing my family or doing something, and I want to have some place to put that where I can go back and look at it whenever I want, and especially years down the line. The stuff that I have on YouTube right now that's old, that I've had for years, I basically went from, this is stuff for the general update vlog. So yeah, so anyways, if you're still watching, sorry for rambling, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.